What's up, guys? It's like 1:15. My dad told me he'd be here at 1. He's the type of guy that'll be on time, if not early. So I'm gonna give him some shit about it. But anyway, me and my dad are going ride. Me and my little daddy. I'm gonna take a little ride, a little father-son outing. Just doing a little check over the bike. Bummer. I already ripped my seat cover because these freaking staples are coming through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like duct tape a piece of foam right here, because when I put my feet right here to do my circles, just pressing them in. I'm also like tightening every bolt, you know, making sure every bolt's tight. Don't want to lose any bolts. That would trigger me greatly.
It's gonna do like this?
Yep. They got some new roads, like we can go up into Grand Coteau. Creighton Point Road's brand new.
Oh really?
So that's a nice.
Carbon road, huh?
Yeah, that's a nice road. And then we can go into Lafayette towards that way.
Yeah.
Or whatever. Traffic's where it gets dangerous.
Say what?
You know him or what?
No. He wasn't happy though. That plantation right here. If y'all been with me since the bike life adventure days, my boy Dave busted his ass like somewhere around here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. What the
Bike life, kid.
Bike life, kid. All I was wondering is if the bike was alright. And wasn't worried about me. Shit. Fucking hold this. Ain't too bad. Better what it would have been if I was in shorts.
Oh my god. You believe in that jacket now, huh?
Well, first fender scraper of the day. Give my book sack. I want that thing. That's my protection.
Yes, huh?
The worst one's this one, dog. That bitch hurts. Look at my shoes.
It burns, guys.
Back when he just rode a straight dirt bike around here. Some savage ass. Savage. Good memories, man. we got a whole nother gear after that. Hey, I forgot my wallet at the house.
Okay.
So we'll go there and then go into Lafayette.
Okay.
Some good roads.
Your mobile office. So, you go to town and then you're coming back home or what?
Yeah, I'll go do like some circle wheelies.
Oh, practicing in town?
Nah, I go to that
Parking lot?
that parking lot off the thruway. Alright, look like you're on. How would you be riding?
We should ride bicycle, damn it. I haven't ridden my bicycle in a long time. 2 flat tires in the garage. My brakes squeaking. Hate that. Anyway.
You make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you. Lie all the faith of the world in your plans, guarding your faith with the palm of your hands. I know, yeah, I know. It's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you.
Hey, you were getting that, bro.
Y'all doing all right?
Oh, dude.
What y'all doing?
Huh?
Yeah, this too.
Check on you, but you look, you was alright. We both ride bikes, so we could tell you was, you know.
Oh, it's all good. No, they got it's all shitty right here.
Yeah, a bunch of rocks on the ground. Be careful. I was
Yeah.
gonna, I'm glad you came and said that. There's a bunch of rocks. I wouldn't do that too much.
Yeah.
You get your haircut at Kinney's?
Huh?
You get your haircut at Kinney's?
Uh,
Or you see?
from Brock. Yeah. I remember. He's a fighter, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing.
For real, Brock?
450 got from Texas home.
Yeah. You're the one that rode, you rode your dirt bike through town before, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You had like a YZ, I remember.
Yeah, 250.
Yeah, hell yeah.
What, they street legal now, huh? You just put a license plate on them and...
I mean, it's got Supermoto rims. It's the same.
Yeah, like some light rims.
That's what I'm saying. Motorcycle on Supermoto Street.
Yeah.
I might do that. Buy a 450 to wheels and tires.
Roll. Hell yeah, bro. What y'all doing over here? Y'all work over here?
That's my boy's store.
For real?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Well, y'all take it easy, man. I'll see you next time at old Brocky's.
Yeah, maybe.
All right, bro. Fuck yes. That didn't take long. Oh. Where you going?
How you been doing that?
How long?
Come on.
How?
Hey, you bust your ass a couple of times.
Oh yeah. I really wish I had a nice DLSR camera. This phone thing is getting pretty lame, but whatever, we're gonna do what we can. We're out here messing with the bike. Got a couple things I want to do to it today. So we got the old handlebar off. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my time to clean all the shit under here, because you know, you look at that all the time, you can't really get to it as good. And I don't know if I ever mentioned, I have handlebar risers. Bring the bar up another inch or two, make it, you know, a little more modern feeling. So we got them on and all dialed in. I even got the turkey neck designs Ram phone mount here. This thing ain't going nowhere. For free. Throttle, you know, if the throttle ain't crisp, your bike sucks, pretty much. That's like, you know, when you walk into a bike, first thing you do is twist the throttle. I got them all wired on. Super duper crisp. Ooh. I can't wait to rip this thing. Got gold in there. Oh yeah, I even got like these blue zip ties. Little swag. Zip tied this wire out the way so I'm not looking at it. This one couldn't do much with it. Gotta have it right there. Clutch is stupid crisp. Oiled that the other day. If you're looking for a supermoto and you have limited funds, there's only one place to look, and that's like a 450, one of these card ones. I mean, this thing is a straight up animal. Like, I know everybody says this, but this is the fastest supermoto I have ever ridden. I mean, my gearing's pretty short, but dude, it's stupid fast. These bikes were made from, or these engines and these bikes are still being made in the 450X and the TRX 450 today. But from like 02 or 03 to 08 was this bike's era. And supposedly they say the 08 is like the best one. I mean, they're all the same. I mean, it's like, you know, a 2007 Silverado and a 2014 Silverado. I mean, they're the same truck. I don't know. Somebody's going to correct me on that, but you get what I'm saying. The 03 CRF 450 was stock with like 53 horsepower or something. That was an 03. And that's stock bike, 53 horsepower. And I have, keep in mind this is an X. Supposedly the only difference in the motor wise from the X is it comes with the emissions thing. The carburetor is stupidly jetted, like stupid plug, like really hinders the performance of this bike stock. The airbox is all closed up. And the transmission is a little different. But the heads always changed on these bikes from 03 to 08. I feel like every year I read that they did some kind of tweak to the head. So I don't know how, if you can go. Supposedly the heads are different, but they're all different. So I don't know what to tell you. I still have the stock valves in there, titanium valves. I don't know. Anyway, thing rips. I have it, the carb jetted to literally perfection. Like my needles, I did a couple clips on the needles and the main and pilot jet. Cut the airbox, aftermarket exhaust. I mean, so this thing has got to be pushing. I mean, I don't want to say anything, but like I said, the 03 stock 450R had 50-something horsepower stock. And this thing at least has 50-something horsepower at the bare minimum. At the bare minimum. So, needless to say, this bike is a straight up animal. Like, I mean, it is a lot of bike. Like, you twist the throttle on almost any RPM, any gear, and you're fighting to keep the wheel from coming up. And it's light. I mean, it's probably not as light as the newer bikes, but I mean, with the Supermoto wheels, you know, it really, the whole weight thing is just so insignificant in the Supermoto world because the wheels just are heavy as hell as compared to like motors. If you put motocross wheels on any dirt bike, it's going to be way lighter than any bike with Supermoto rims, pretty much. You know, there are some exceptions to that rule, but you get what I'm saying. Supermoto rims are stupid heavy. But yeah, and I bought this bike for $3,500, and I mean it rips, straight rips, shoots flames. I mean it is a monster. I mean, of course, you know everybody's gonna say their bike's the fastest, but I don't know. I'm curious. I'm curious to find out when I go ride with some people, you know, whose bike is the fastest. You know, because of course you think the newer fuel-injected bikes. Yeah, of course I wish I had a fuel-injected bike. You know, who doesn't? But you know, if you get these bikes set up right, dude, they got. Thing I found with the fuel-injected bike is they're stupid smooth, like way smoother than the car bikes, way smoother. But like off the jump, I mean, dude, it's got so much just. Like, it's just insane. And it's louder. It's definitely louder and definitely way more, like, just throaty. But, yeah, I do wish I had, you know, some kind of fuel-injected bike. You know, I wish I had, like, a WR450 or something. I'd trade my bike for a WR450. But I don't know. I still think this thing's faster. When I put the piston in there, it's like a common modification to these bikes is putting the TRX450R four-wheeler piston in it. It has an extra compression ring on it. It doesn't change the compression ratio, but you know, it's unproven, but everybody, you know, it's gonna keep, I don't know, not more compression ratio, but like just, I don't know, just read up on online. TRX450R piston in a CRF 450. Everybody's like 450R, 450X, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. But dude, they're the same bike, same motor, same frame. If anything, the X is better for the street. I mean, I'm talking about 450X compared to the 450R carb bike. I'm not talking about the fuel injected newer bikes. I'm talking about the carbed 450 versus the 450X, which is also carb. They're the same exact bike. The 450X is actually a lot better suited for the street. Neither of them are suited for the street, but the X is it's got an overflow tank. I'm pretty sure the radiators are the same size, but it's got an overflow for the radiators. Supposedly the transmission's better for the street. I don't know. I got on ours and the gearing is actually longer. It comes with a light stock and like has a system set up for light stock. So that's one thing. I just love this bike, and it's like I said, you could pick a 450X Supermoto up right now for, dude, pennies. Like, dude, if you looked hard enough, you could pick one up for like $3 grand, maybe even cheaper. And the parts are dirt cheap parts, just easy to work on. Everybody's done everything to these bikes, so like there's no guessing game. Anyway, guys, that's the video. I really wish I had a DSLR camera. This would be way sicker, and I could like do all the good shit that everybody else does, but I don't know, can't afford it. Wish I could, but that is a plan. Of course, I wish I had a drone and all that shit, but YOLO, we gonna do it with the iPhone. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.